Notice how the night never echoes with the flap of owl wings? That's nature's design at its finest. Owls are the stealth predators of the night skies, equipped with evolutionary marvels that allow them to fly without making a sound. Their primary feathers have serrated edges, cutting through air turbulence silently, unlike any other bird. Soft, velvety down covers their wings, absorbing sound frequencies detectable by their prey. With wings larger relative to their body size, owls need only gentle flaps to stay aloft, minimizing noise. Even the way they adjust their feathers mid-flight contributes to this silent approach. Perfect for catching unsuspecting rodents. It's this combination of unique wing structure and feather softness that grants owls their silent flight, making them unmatched hunters of the night.